In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create effective search ads in minutes using the Google Ads 2025 setup. If you're looking to boost your online advertising strategy and reach more customers, this tutorial is designed to help you do just that and in a quick and efficient manner. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to head over to the Google Ads homepage. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in ads.google.com. This will take you to the Google Ads platform, which is a powerful tool for running your online advertising campaigns. From here, in the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Click on it to log into your Google Ads account. If you don't have an account yet, this would be the perfect time to create one and get started. Once you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This is your dashboard, the command center where all magic happens. From scheduling new campaigns to analyzing performance metrics, this is where you control everything related to your ads. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu bar. Here, click on Campaigns. This will take you to a new page where you'll see an overview of your existing ad campaigns if you have any. But in this case, we are starting fresh. From the campaign section, you'll spot another menu option labeled Ads. Click on that and you'll arrive at the page where you manage your advertisements. The next step is to look for the Create Ad button. You'll find it at the top of the page. Clicking on this will bring up a range of ad options you can choose to create. For this tutorial, we are focusing on creating responsive search ads. So go ahead and select responsive search ad from the drop-down list. Now here's a key point to remember. Responsive search ads are incredibly useful because they allow Google's machine learning algorithms to mix and match different headlines and descriptions you provide, effectively optimizing for the best performing combinations. This flexibility ensures your ads are adaptable and likely to perform well across a broad range of searches. Finally, it's important to understand that creating successful ads involves not just setting them up, but also crafting compelling and relevant content that aligns with what your audience is searching for. Be strategic with your keywords, experiment with multiple headlines and descriptions, and always keep an eye on the performance metrics to refine and improve your campaigns. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to set up effective search ads using Google Ads 2025. With these basics under your belt, you're ready to create ads that connect with your audience and drive meaningful results for your business. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.